So, you want to repose a fully merged STL for 3D printing in Blender. Let me make it easy for you. Step 1. Import your model into Blender. Step 2. Enable cavity mode in the Viewport Shading tab so you can easily see creases. Step 3. Select your model and with Ctrl+Tab, swap into Sculpt mode. Step 4. Hold left-click on the box face set brush to select the lasso face set brush. Step 5. Paint face sets onto the limbs of the model that you want to reposition. Step 6. If you want to expand your face set with more precision, select the Draw Face Sets brush and hold Ctrl while starting the brush in the face set of your choosing, then extending your face set by brushing outside of it. Step 7. Select the Pose brush, set deformation target to geometry, deformation to rotate/twist, rotation origins to face sets, smooth iterations to 4, and pose IK segments to 1. Step 8. Drag the limbs that you've painted with face sets in the desired position. If you want to reposition multiple connected face sets at once, increase the pose IK segments on the pose brush to your desired amount. In this example, I'm using 2 for the arm. Step 9. Clean up odd-looking seams and obvious geometry with the smooth brush. You can increase and decrease the strength of your brush with Shift F. Step 10. Swap back to object mode with Ctrl+Tab and export your model as STL. That's it. Now you know how to easily pose a fully merged STL for 3D printing in Blender. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if this video was helpful. Also, buy my models via my website ProxyBrewer.com. Alternatively, subscribe to my Patreon to receive early access to monthly models. You can get the model in this video for free via my website, links in the description.